Hello everybody, I'm Jennifer Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach you different ways that you can make money online. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on how to become a work-from-home freelancer. And before we get started, I just want to make it very clear that I have not been sponsored by Upwork to create this video. I'm not affiliated with Upwork in any way. I am just a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, and these are all my own opinions about the platform. So I have many different videos on how to get started as a freelancer on Upwork.com. I think Upwork is one of the best freelancing websites to get started selling your skills. In a few years, I went from a complete beginner freelancer on Upwork to top-rated plus, and I have earned over $80,000 on Upwork in the past 4 years. If you are not familiar with Upwork, Upwork is a platform where you can sell your freelancing skills and services and apply to jobs for free. I'm going to link you in the description below to a whole list of my different videos on getting started with Upwork, how to create an amazing profile and get accepted onto Upwork to become a freelancer, and also how to apply to jobs and write winning proposals. But in today's video, I'm going to focus on Connects. So the other day I received a question from a subscriber asking me about how Connects work. So I want to take this time to create a video to answer all of these questions. What are Connects? Are Connects free? How can I get more free Connects? How many Connects does a typical job require? What happens when you run out of Connects? And do you lose Connects even if you don't get accepted for the job? So what are Connects? Connects are Upwork's virtual currency. So freelancers use Connects to apply to jobs, and different jobs require different amounts of Connects. Now, since people generally try to spend their Connects wisely, this means there is less competition for jobs than there would be if everyone could apply without limits. So if Connects didn't exist, you could apply to any job you wanted, but that means the client might receive 300 applications. Connects means that people are applying only to jobs that they are actually qualified for. And I think it gives you a better opportunity of having your proposal seen by the client. So, do I always need to spend Connects when applying to jobs? Usually, you will have to spend Connects to submit proposals to Upwork. Now, submitting a proposal is basically you applying to a job that you see on Upwork. However, no Connects are needed when a client invites you to bid. So a client invites you to basically have an interview for a job on Upwork. When a client sends you an offer, so you can accept and you will not spend any of your Connects. When a client purchases your project catalog project, or when you send a proposal within an enterprise talent cloud. So if you're just starting out, you probably are not a part of an enterprise talent cloud. But if you work for an enterprise client, you will eventually get accepted into a talent cloud, and then you can apply to any jobs in that cloud without spending any of your Connects. So the main question I get is, are Connects free? Is it free to apply to jobs within Upwork? So basically within Upwork, there are two different plan types. We have the basic plan, which is completely free, and then the Freelancer Plus plan, which I have for $14.99 a month. You can see that this is my current plan. However, this is not necessary. When I was first starting out, I just had the basic plan and I was still able to get some jobs. So with the basic plan, you get 10 Connects for free each month. If you have the Plus plan, it's $14.99 a month and you have 80 Connects that you can spend. But if you're just starting out, you can use the 10 Connects per month and you don't have to spend any money. So how can you get more free Connects? When you successfully register on Upwork as a freelancer, you'll receive 40 Connects to get started. When you complete the Upwork readiness test, you'll receive another 40 Connects. So if you haven't done the Upwork readiness test yet, make sure to do it and you will get 40 free Connects. To do the test, just click on Find Work and click here on the Upwork readiness test, and then click Start Test. I have already done the test, so I've already received those free Connects. Like I said before, the free Freelancer Basic membership automatically gives you 10 free Connects to use each month, and if you don't use them all in a month, these should roll over into the next month as well. Another way to get free connects is if you submit a proposal to a client and then win an interview and reply to this interview, you'll get a bonus of 10 connects. So imagine you apply to a job and then the client offers you an interview and you respond to them, you will get 10 connects, a bonus of 10 connects, even if you don't get the job. But you have to reply and win the interview at least. And you can earn up to 50 connects every 7 days. If this happens to you and for whatever reason you don't get that bonus, just make sure to send a message to the Upwork support team. They are excellent and they'll get back to you right away. So 2 other ways that you can get free connects, which are a bit more difficult. If you complete and earn an Upwork skill certification, you'll enjoy a one-time connects bonus. So the Upwork skill certifications are offered by invitation only, and they have them in web and mobile software development and design and creative. Now it is invitation only, so in order to get invited, Upwork suggests that freelancers have a solid reputation, keep a complete and up-to-date profile that's not set to private, and maintain an active account in good standing. And finally, if you earn a Rising Talent Upwork Talent Badge, you'll receive a one-time bonus of 30 free connects. So the badges go Rising Talent, then Top Rated, and then Top Rated Plus. Another question I get is, can you buy connects? And yes, you can buy connects. So connects cost 15 cents each and are sold in bundles of 10, 20, 40, 60, and 80. So click on your little profile icon and then click Settings. Then you'll go to Membership and Connects, and then you'll click Add More Connects or Buy Connects. You'll select the bundle you wish to purchase, click Add Connects, and your account will automatically be charged. If you want to view your Connects history, the Connects that you have received and the Connects that you have spent, click on View Connects History. And this will give you an idea of how you are spending your Connects. So how many connects does a typical job require? So every job is different. Sometimes it's 2 connects, sometimes it's 6 connects. This is an example of a job that I just saw today, and the required connects to submit a proposal is 4. Now here is another example of a job I saw posted today. It says you can send a proposal for 1 connect, and you can now boost your proposal to get noticed. This job would have been 6 connects before. So this is a new thing that Upwork is trying out, a new way to spend your connects, where so many different jobs that used to be 4 connects or 6 connects are now only 1 connect. But if you are really interested in the job, you can spend as many connects as you want, and the client will then see your proposal above other proposals and will see that you are really interested. This is something that Upwork is trying out. It is new. This is beneficial for you because you can apply to more jobs if you only want to spend 1 connect. Probably the client will still view your profile. They might not view it first, and you don't have to spend more connects. So this does give an opportunity for you to apply potentially to 10 jobs a month using your 10 free connects without having to spend more. Or if you really want a job, then you can choose to spend more connects. If you look here, it says we're testing a new way for you to use your connects to make your proposal stand out even more. Freelancers who bid the highest number of connects will have their proposal in the top slots and marked with a blue lightning bolt and highly interested. So this is something very interesting that you can try out. I will be creating another video to try out this boosting your proposal because I haven't tried it yet. But this is something interesting to know. And right now you can apply to a lot more jobs with less connects than you could before. So what happens when you run out of connects? If you've used up all of your connects, you can wait until the next month to get another 10 free connects to use. You could also upgrade your membership plan to Freelancer Plus to get 80 connects per month. And you can always switch back to the basic membership if you want. Or you can purchase connects for 15 cents each. Another question I get a lot is, do you lose connects even if you don't get accepted for the job? So yes, you will not gain back the connects. So you will lose the connects you spent even if you don't get a job offer. However, connects are returned if the job is canceled or if Upwork cancels the job for some reason. So if the client decides, I no longer want to post this job, and they cancel it, you will get a refund of those connects. However, your connects are not returned if the client chooses another freelancer, if the client lets the job expire without hiring, or if you withdraw your proposal from a project. So don't withdraw your proposals thinking you're going to get back connects, because you will not. However, as I said before, if you submit a proposal to a client and then you win an interview and reply, you will get a bonus of 10 connects and earn a maximum of 50 connects every 7 days. Okay, so that is it for this video on all about how connects work within Upwork. I hope this has provided you all with some clarification, and if you have any other questions about how Upwork works, about connects, about the new Boost Your Proposal feature, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Again, check out my other videos on Upwork by clicking on the links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.